Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing well. This is Tania Boito, and today's class I will be covering business plan. Please do let me know if any of you feel sick or have difficulty hearing and understanding lesson in my class. So, before we start our today's lecture, I'd like to recap the previous lecture of the last class again. Do you remember in the last class we discussed about what? Yes, we discussed about business activities. Thank you. Anyone who has a clear idea about this? Yes, you are absolutely right. Business activities are those activities of business engaged for the purpose of making profit by satisfying whom? By satisfying the customers. Okay, thank you so much. Does anyone have any question about this? Okay, let's start the class again. Now I'm sharing my screen. Okay, our today's topic is Business Plan Chapter 15. Okay, in this lesson, we'll learn what is business plan, what is business ideas, and the sources of business finance. What is business plan? Do you have any idea about what is business plan? Yes, business plan is a written document. Yes, for making plan of business. That's good. Uh, anyone? Okay, let me tell what is actually business plan. A business plan is a written roadmap for the firm. It also can say that it's a written description of your business future, and also we can say that this is the document that describe what is actually your plan to do and how you plan to do for your business. Okay, then the business ideas. In your business planning, you need to clearly state the business ideas. Otherwise, what you actually want to do, you don't know. You have to take the ideas. You have to uh, learn so many ideas from others or from friends, from teachers, from relatives. You can gather the ideas. Here is some example like blogger. When we browse online like YouTube, Facebook, we can find out so many bloggers nowadays. You come out with the idea of creating a blog that blows the internet, so that's an idea. And YouTube channel is also an idea. If you create videos and uploads, then you can earn money, and that's an idea. Here we can see sell through online apps like what should I say, like Daraj, like Bitcoin.com. You can sell your product, and also you can buy some product from there. Like wedding photographer is an also a business idea. Video producer creator also a business idea. Bring future product or service into a market, your new product, when you innovate some product, when you spread it into the market, it could be a business idea. Now the sources of finance. Well, there are different ways a finance or the business can obtain their money for their business. So there are some terms like short terms, long term, internal sources of finance and external sources of finance. So first of all, the short term finance. Short term finance, what actually we can tell about the short term finance. Short term finance means not more than 1 year, and it is used to meet the short term needs of the business. Okay, the long term finance is generally used for the investment in fixed asset, such as, can you please tell me what kind of fixed asset? What do you mean by fixed asset? Yes, properties. Yes, land. Land and properties are the same. Yes, plant, machineries. Yes, and it is not replayable within a short period of time. So it can be paid over many years. Thank you. Internal sources of finance. Do you have any ideas? Can you please tell me what is the internal sources of finance? Any ideas? Case? Yes, the internal sources of yes, the businessman's own monies. Yes, when you invest your own money to the business, it called internal sources of finance. Okay, then the external sources of finance. External sources of finance are found outside from the business, like creditors, bankers, stakeholders. Okay, now do you have any idea about stakeholders? Okay, the stakeholders are the important person of any business, because if you start a business, the stakeholder are those person who invest their money and ideas to your business when you need money. That's why they are called like external sources of finance. Okay, today's lesson we learn about what is business plan, what is business idea, and the sources of finance. Do you have any question about these three topics? Okay, now I stop my screen sharing. Okay, now that's all we learned from today's chapter. So this is your assignment, and you should bring this assignment to the next class. Thank you, stay safe, and Khuda Hafiz.